What is neck hammock? Neck hammock is a revolutionary device designed to provide relief from neck pain and tension. It is a portable and easy-to-use cervical traction device that aims to stretch and decompress the neck, allowing the muscles to relax and promote better blood circulation. The neck hammock is often used as an alternative to expensive chiropractic sessions or invasive procedures, offering a convenient solution for neck pain management in the comfort of your own home. How does neck hammock work? Neck hammock works on the principle of cervical traction, which involves gentle stretching of the neck to relieve pressure and tension on the cervical spine. The device consists of a strap that attaches to a door handle or railing and a soft hammock-like fabric that cradles the back of the head. By lying down and resting your head on the neck hammock, the weight of your head creates a gentle stretch and traction, helping to elongate the spine and relieve compression in the neck area. Features of neck hammock: adjustable strap. The neck hammock is equipped with an adjustable strap, allowing users to customize the traction level and find their optimal comfort. Soft and durable material. The fabric used in neck hammock is soft, comfortable, and durable, ensuring a pleasant experience while providing reliable support. Compact and portable. Neck hammock is designed to be compact and portable, making it easy to carry and use anywhere, whether at home, office, or while traveling. Easy installation. Setting up the neck hammock is a breeze. Simply attach the strap to a sturdy door handle or railing, adjust the height, and you're ready to use it. Benefits of neck hammock: pain relief. Neck hammock helps in reducing neck pain and alleviating muscle tension by providing gentle traction, promoting relaxation, and increasing blood flow to the neck area. Improved posture. Regular use of neck hammock can aid in improving posture by relieving the stress and pressure on the neck and upper back, allowing the spine to align naturally. Enhance flexibility and range of motion. Stretching the neck using neck hammock can improve flexibility, increase the range of motion, and help maintain a healthy neck. Convenient and cost-effective. Neck hammock offers a cost-effective solution for neck pain management, as it eliminates the need for expensive chiropractic visits or invasive treatments. How to use neck hammock? Find a sturdy door handle or railing at an appropriate height. Attach the strap securely to the door handle or railing. Adjust the strap length to achieve the desired level of traction and comfort. Lie down on a comfortable surface, placing your head on the soft fabric of the neck hammock. Relax and allow the weight of your head to create a gentle stretch and traction in the neck area. Maintain this position for the recommended duration, usually around 10 to 15 minutes. Slowly release the tension by lifting your head and removing it from the neck hammock. Repeat the process regularly for optimal results. Pros of neck hammock: effective pain relief for neck discomfort and tension. Convenient and portable, allowing use anywhere. Adjustable traction level for personalized comfort. Enhances posture and spinal alignment. Cost-effective alternative to professional treatments. Cons of neck hammock: not suitable for individuals with certain neck or spinal conditions. Consult a healthcare professional before use. Some users may experience initial discomfort or soreness while adapting to the stretching sensation. Neck hammock price and where to buy. Neck hammock is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.